Hi everyone. So in this video, we will look into some other transformations such as date fields. So right now, this is the final dataset that we created in the last videos. Let's see, we want to work on the date fields. So as you can see, in our dataset, we do not have any date fields, right? We only have the employee data, employee salary, their roles, their email ID, etc. But I want to work on the date fields. So first thing first, let's add a date column to this transformation. Without touching the existing flow, let's create another transformations from this transformation, okay? So we need to go to the new transformation from this node. This will create a new node next to the node that we just clicked. So let's give a name to this transformation as transformation dates, okay? I want to add a column as a date column with the current date type. So there is a transformation called current date or current timestamp. Let's do go with the current timestamp. So by default, it will take the system date time and it will assign to the new column called current timestamp. Hit apply. Okay, this is done. Now click on the preview. So now as you can see, a new column is added. Okay, which is current timestamp. All right. Now, I want to perform some app operations, such as let's say I want to add days, hours, etc. Let's see how we can do that. So, I'll search for new transformations, or maybe you can scroll down here to see the date transformations, date time transformations. So, add value to date. So, this is one of the transformations that we gonna do now. So, let's see. So, add value, right? So, first of all, we need to select the column, date column. So, this is our date column. See, by default, it converted that date timestamp column to date. Okay, so this is a date. Now value they are asking. So let's say I want to add 2 days. So hit two, and instead of here, I want that to be days. And the new column that's gonna be created, let's say date with extra 2 days. Hit apply. Go to preview and see. So our current timestamp was 19th December 2025, and the new date with extra 2 days is 21 December 2025. Okay, the same way we can add hours as well. So let's do the same thing. So add value, this is one transformation, right? We added, just copy paste or replicate it here. So to do that, duplicate transform, there is one option. Click on that. You will get another transformation with the same exact configuration. Hit edit. So now instead of days, I want that to be, let's say, months. Okay. So whatever current date timestamp we have, 2 months will be added in it. So with two extra month months, apply. Hit preview. Okay. See, this is the new column with extra 2 months, which is February 19, 2026. Cool, isn't it? So you don't need to mention or write certain codes to work with the data operations. Really nice. Now let's see what else we can do with this date. Let's say I want to find a date range, right? The difference between these two dates, the one that we just created. This is one extra day with 2 days and extra with 2 months. So I want to find the difference between these two, right? That is also possible. Let's search those transformations. So to the left, go to the date time, timestamp difference. So I want to find the difference between the month and this 2 days extra. And the difference unit I want in, let's say, days. Okay. And there's gonna be a timestamp difference column. Apply. Hit preview. See. The difference is of 60 days. Okay, so from this date to this date, the difference is negative 60 because we are subtracting month, okay, with our days. So this is how we can calculate the difference between two timestamps. Let's close this transformation. Let me show you another thing that we can do here is splitting. So here we work with the transformation. Let's see what is split. So for the time being, let's consider I want to split the data set based on their roles. Alright, so we have many employees with different roles. So I want to split it. Hit split. So we need to give column. So column will be role and we need to assign some value. Let's copy that value first. Yeah, or maybe I can take from here. Yeah, project manager. So copy value as project manager. Okay, so this is one. Apply, close. So this is one transformation which is which got created based on the condition we gave, right? So if you see the data for this split, it will only have project manager data. See the role column. Let me show you the statistics as well. Only project managers. Okay. Similarly, we can also create another split for other roles. Let's say employee role, and this time I want to create a split for let's say supervisor. So copy the exact value of the column, give that value, and hit apply. This will create another split for supervisor. Review the data. See, only the supervisor data is here. So what do you mean by this? That means we can divide our existing dataset in multiple dataset based on certain rules or column values. This will give you power to like break down your dataset, work on it, and then maybe further you can union it. Okay. So this is only the supervisor data. So this is one of the transformations which is available in Pipeline Builder. We will discuss more further transformations if required. If you have anything in your mind and you want to ask me, feel free to drop a comment. I'll try to create a video out of it. But for this video, this is it. See you in the next video with some more new transformations. Thank you so much.